Hello, let's talk about cabling, internet cable. This is cat 6, and this cable has so many internal cable, and this is Rj45 connector, and this is the internet socket, wall socket, or you call it wall plate. So let me tell it, it's a new one, and I just want to teach you on how you can connect the cat 5 cable and this network clip cutting tool or network uh, tool using peeling and clipping the ROG45 connectors. That is the use of this tool. So, and this tool, as you can see, this blade is a blade, and it's very sharp like a razor. And this is done when you press the blade to it. You can also use it to cut the cable. As you can see, I want to cut it. Just cut the cable now. And there is a cable, and this cable, it has different cable inside, although we are going to count it later so that we see the cable that is inside. This RJ45 port, it has eight eight pin inside this work plate connector. So we just let me show you. This is the wall plate, this is a face, the wall plate face, that's how it is. Come scope, it has a spring cover, and let me just show you on how we can connect this. You can clip this cable to this RJ45 connector port. First of all, let's peel this network cable, is cat 5 cable. Let's peel it so that we can move further on how we can clip it. So as you can see, this other side, there is this place in this tool using peeling. You can see this curve here. You put your cable inside and turn it twice. At the end of the day, and the end of it, it will peel. You can see it. So let's turn it 1, 2, 3 and peel. You see the mark? Okay, let's peel it off. Now you see we have different colors inside these cat 5 cables. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yeah, I have different colors, inside these cables. This network cable, cat 5 cable. I just want to trim it so that they all be equal. After trimming it, then we just have to follow up with the configuration on how we can punch it down to the RJ45 connector port, and you see different color band here. We have orange, orange, white, brown, brown, white, blue, blue, white, green, green, white. So, and this connector have a way of connecting it. It has its own configuration. You just have to follow the process, follow the configuration so that you get it right. And let's share it to get our configuration. Always remember to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share our videos. So let's follow the process, configuration. And this is part one of this video. So the part two, I will go more further and explain it to us. I see all this are color band. So I'm just sharing it now so that we both have at this right side we have 4 cable going to it, at the left side we have 4 going to it. So at the end of it, we in our next part I'll show you the punching tool which we use in punching it to the connector port. Yeah, so let's put our cable into the connector port. It's a wall plate or internet socket, any among the two you call it. It's correct. Always remember to share our video, like our video, subscribe to our channel. And this is it. Bring it. This cable, each of these cable, they used to slant it in each of those slanting holes you see there. Slant it, then we use our punching tool to punch them down so that it can be well connected to it. So just try and follow our video, like our video, drop your comments. I'll be so happy to reply your comments. That's it. In our next class, I'm going to show you on how and where each color band is going to be. Like our video, share it. Thank you. So that is it. And this is the wall plate. Put it. There is a way you clip it there. Thank you. See you in order for